Hey there, and welcome back to Your Channel Name. Today, we're going to dive into a question that's been popping up a lot in the financial tech community. Is Tide the same as ClearBank? Now, I know what you're thinking. They both deal with banking, so they must be the same, right? Well, not quite. Let's break down the similarities and differences between these two financial institutions. Understanding Tide. Tide is a digital banking platform primarily designed for small businesses and freelancers. It offers a range of features, including business accounts, expense management tools, and integration with popular accounting software. Tide aims to simplify the financial lives of entrepreneurs by providing a user-friendly and efficient solution. One of the key aspects of Tide is its focus on providing a comprehensive suite of tools to help businesses manage their finances effectively. From invoicing and payments to expense tracking and tax reporting, Tide offers a one-stop shop for small business owners. Introducing ClearBank. ClearBank, on the other hand, is a different kind of financial institution. It's a banking-as-a-service (BaaS) platform that provides core banking infrastructure to other businesses. Essentially, ClearBank powers the back-end operations of various financial services providers, such as fintech startups and challenger banks. Think of ClearBank as the engine behind the scenes. It handles all the essential banking functions, including payments, deposits, and lending. Other companies can then build their own financial products and services on top of ClearBank's infrastructure. Comparing Tide and ClearBank. Now that we have a basic understanding of Tide and ClearBank, let's compare them side by side. Business model. Tide is a direct-to-consumer banking platform, while ClearBank is a business-to-business provider of banking infrastructure. Target audience. Tide primarily caters to small businesses and freelancers, while ClearBank's clients are typically fintech startups and challenger banks. Product offerings. Tide offers a range of banking products and services for its customers, while ClearBank focuses on providing core banking infrastructure to other businesses. Relationship. Tide is a customer of ClearBank, using its infrastructure to power its own banking services. Key differences. While Tide and ClearBank share some similarities in the financial services industry, there are some significant differences between them. Direct versus indirect. Tide has a direct relationship with its customers, providing them with banking products and services. ClearBank, on the other hand, has an indirect relationship with end users through its partner businesses. Focus. Tide is focused on providing a comprehensive banking solution for small businesses, while ClearBank is more focused on providing the underlying infrastructure for other financial services providers. So, to answer the question, is Tide the same as ClearBank? No, they are not. Tide is a digital banking platform for small businesses, while ClearBank is a banking-as-a-service provider that powers other financial institutions. While they both operate in the financial services industry, they serve different purposes and have distinct business models. Understanding the differences between Tide and ClearBank is essential for anyone looking to choose the right banking solution for their needs. If you're interested in learning more about digital banking or financial technology, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. We'll keep you updated on the latest trends and developments in the industry. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.